Let's create a deep object hierarchy. We're going to do that simply to get used to navigating with the dot notation. So we will write a typical university hierarchy. So let's go ahead and start with university. Then we're going to have an object inside of that, which will be schools. Inside of that, we will have another object. And here, the first property will be engineering. So we go university, schools, school of engineering. Inside of that, we will have departments. Inside of that, we will have another object, and this will be courses. We will do course 1. Inside of that, we will have another object, which will be classes. And finally, we will have a property with the class that we want to define. And the property will be engineering computation. At some point here, my wrapping will kick in. And maybe I can fit it. Oh, no, I couldn't. And so I've only put in one property. I will leave it up to you to add more at each level of the hierarchy, so you can test how to specify more properties and how to access them, how to navigate it, and so on. And JSHint is giving me a hint here that I put in the wrong assignment operator, and now I've done the correct one. I'm going to go ahead and close this. And now we will simply access that information. And we can go ahead and do it at the console, the console.log. And inside of that, we will start with university.schools.engineering .departments .course 1 .classes .engineering computation. So that's a deep hierarchy in the dot notation. Let's go ahead and let me activate the browser window. Let me go ahead and load that onto the browser window. Look at the console, and yes, we can see, let me move to the console. Yes, we can see that 1.00 was written to the console. So this is simply an example on a deep object hierarchy. You might want to practice it simply to make sure that you're comfortable with nesting in the behavior that you can expect.